Hey guys, today I'm gonna introduce you Corolla 2008 to 2012 Android teen car radio. It supports wireless CarPlay and wide Android Auto, wide MirrorLink with all Android and iOS, separate EQ settings, have different music styles for your choice. Classical T5 system homepage. If you want to use CarPlay, then Bluetooth connection is the first step. Wireless CarPlay feature is realized via the Link app. Classical CarPlay convenient phone calling feature. Classical CarPlay accurate online navigation. Classical CarPlay music, it supports lossless sound music playing. Highly compatible with wide Android Auto, still the same with the Link app. What you will get is still the same classic Android Auto page. Android Auto phone calling, Android Auto navigation, the music playing. MirrorLink is via CarPlay. Works seamlessly with your smartphone. Keeps the very same steps and also support high-definition resolution video playing. Just unlock a new way for playing the music navigation. Special customized car stereo for Toyota Corolla from 2008 to 2011, waiting for your choice.